Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to assign a product template in your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by the home page where you can now access all the sections we have right here, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started. Basically, what I'm going to do first is go right here into the online store section under my sales channels, click on online store. That's automatically going to open up your themes section. In your theme section, we can take a look at the theme that we are currently using and we can get started with customizing it. So what you want to do is click the customize button right here. That's going to open up this editor of your store where we can take a look at the header, template, and so on. And here at the top of the screen, we have our home page option that we want to click. After clicking the option, this is now going to open up this new menu right here where we can take a look at everything we have and we can access, such as pages, cards, and so on. We want to open up products. Under products, guys, you can see now we can take a look at our product themes right here and templates. And what you want to do is create a new template. So once you can create your new template, let's go ahead and take a look and type it whatever you want. As you can see, you can give it whatever name, you can click on what's based on, and so on. And after that, you can create your template. Once you're finished with your template, guys, and you have created your new template, you can go back and click the product section right here now in your main page. Go ahead and open up the product you want to go ahead and apply the template for. And as you can see, guys, now once you scroll in this editor, you can go ahead and take a look at the theme template right here, and you can select what product or template you want to use right here and apply it to your product. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.